Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix issues when Codecademy is not working properly on your laptop, whether the website isn't learning or the lessons are running or exercises won't submit. These steps will help you get back on track, so let's get into it. First, you need to make sure your internet connection is stable and try allowing other websites to confirm your connection, or you can simply check your Wi-Fi speed because that may be one of the problems you are facing. You can simply check your Wi-Fi speed from speed.com or fast.com. Sometimes a simple refresh can fix the issue, so simply press F5 or click the refresh button on your browser. As you can see, you can simply do it by the top of your page. If that doesn't work, close the browser and reopen the Codecademy website through a different browser or the same browser. You can simply go into the codecademy.com. This should hopefully fix your Codecademy problem, or old caches or cookies can cause problems as well. Go to your browser settings and clear caches or cookies, then reload Codecademy again. If the problem still comes up, you can simply try using a different browser, for example Chrome, Firefox or Edge, or if you are on Mac, you can simply use Safari. Sometimes browser extensions like ad blocker can intervene, so temporarily disable those extensions and see if Codecademy works. If none of these steps work, reach out to Codecademy support via the help center. As you can see on here, through profile you can go into the help center. They can help troubleshoot your specific issue, and that's how you can fix common problems when Codecademy is not working properly on your laptop. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more, and comment below if you have faced any specific issue so that I can help you in the future video. Keep learning and stay coding. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.